A stunning, New York-inspired, dual-level penthouse apartment located in the heart of Northmead, within walking distance of cafes, shops and bus transport. Hi, I'm Les.
Hi, I'm Thomas. We're from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 73 8 of 18 Briens Road, Northmead. Let's take a look around inside.
Just take my hand, there's no looking back on yesterday. Mercer Island, here I come for you. Take you places that you never knew. I'll take you away, I'll love you today. Morning will come, I'll be the one next to you. Mercer Island, here I come for you. Take you places that you never knew. I'll take you away, I'll love you today. Morning will come, I'll be the one next to you.
If you have any questions about this lovely apartment, please give Les and I a call.
And we look forward to seeing you at our next open home.
I'll be the